Your answer is 73. Your answer is, I think so, it is 4.
The name of the magic is 4 aces. Ten of clubs. T E N O F T L U B S.
Able to find the aces? Yes.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become #1 in studies and #1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.